Laws of exponents. First law, a raised to m times a raised to n equals a raised to m plus n. Dito makikita natin, kapag the same ang kanyang base, ang kanilang exponent ay ating lang i-add. Okay? Example, x raised to 7 power times x raised to 12 power. So, the same base. So, ang exponent ating siyang i-add. 7 plus 12, that is 19. So, the final answer, x raised to 19th power. Another example, 2 cubes times 2 squared. Parehas ang kanilang base. So, ang ating exponent ay ating i-add. 3 plus 2, that is 5. Equals 2 raised to 5th power. Then, simplify natin. So, yung 2 multiply sa 5 bases sa kanyang sarili. The final answer is 32.